Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're someone who loves personalizing your apps and making your phone truly yours, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but useful tip: how to change the chat background in WhatsApp using any photo from your phone's gallery. Whether you want to add a personal photo, a favorite wallpaper, or just something more calming to look at while chatting, it's easy to do and only takes a minute. So, let's get right into it. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Next, tap on Chats. Then, tap on Default Chat Theme, depending on your version of WhatsApp. Now, tap on Wallpaper. After that, click on Choose from Gallery. Browse through your photos and pick the image you want to use as your chat background. Once selected, adjust or crop the image if needed. Then, tap the check mark or the OK icon at the top right to confirm. Your new wallpaper is now set and will appear as the background in your WhatsApp chats. And that's all it takes to personalize your WhatsApp chat background using any photo from your gallery. This small change can make your messaging experience feel more comfortable and unique, especially if you spend a lot of time on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides like this one. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.